Let's start with the business and organization skills. Do a self-assessment as we go along. With domain knowledge and application, you apply domain-related knowledge and insights to effectively contextualize data achieved by practical experience and exposure to emerging innovations. This is the main skill of functional analysts. This is about industry knowledge, business experience, and domain expertise. Level 0, you currently don't have the skill. Level 1, you understand collected data and how they are handled and applied in the specific industry domain. Level 2, you develop content strategy and information architecture to support a given industry domain and its audiences. Level 3, you make business cases to improve domain-related procedures through data-driven decision-making. At which level are you in right now? With data management and governance, you develop and implement data management strategies incorporating privacy and data security, policies and regulations, and ethical considerations. This is the forte of data stewards, the data gatekeepers of an organization. In certain cases, the HR and legal departments are involved in developing and enforcing these policies. Level 0, you currently don't have the skill. Level 1, you are aware and always apply policies and measures to ensure data security, privacy, intellectual property, and ethics. Level 2, you enforce policies and procedures for data security, privacy, intellectual property, and ethics. Level 3, you develop policies on data security, privacy, intellectual property, and ethics. At which level are you in right now? With operational analytics, you use general and specialized analytics techniques for the investigation of all relevant data to derive insight for decision making. This is the area of analytics managers. With their project management expertise, they can oversee the successful delivery of an analytics project. Level 0, you currently don't have the skill. Level 1, you perform business analysis for specified tasks and datasets. Level 2, you identify business impact from trends and patterns. Level 3, you identify new opportunities to use historical data for organizational processes optimization. At which level are you in right now? With data visualization and presentation, you create and communicate compelling and actionable insights from data using visualization and presentation tools and technologies. This is not just about creating charts, but creating and effectively communicating the story that data is telling an organization. Level 0, you currently don't have the skill. Level 1, you prepare data visualization reports or narratives based on provided specifications. Level 2, you create infographics for effective presentation and communication of actionable outcome. Level 3, you select appropriate and develop new visualization methods used in a specific industry. At which level are you in right now? These are the competencies that comprise the business and organization skills: domain knowledge and application, data management and governance, operational analytics, data visualization, and presentation. As you will see later, all analytics practitioners should have certain levels of proficiency across these competencies.